Good morning, guys. Today is Wednesday. This video is going up on Friday and we're just getting a little bit of a late start today. I've just kind of been taking it easy. I don't have a lot to get done today, but I am gonna play around with my mug press. It was having some issues last night and I hope that we got it worked out, but we'll see. It's right now it's working again, but last night it wasn't and it was very frustrating. We emailed the company, so you know, I don't know if I can recommend it just yet. How about that? But I'm still playing around with it. I did make myself a mug. This was my first test run and I didn't have the print settings right, so it didn't come out as, like, I don't even know if you can really tell. It's so bright. Why is this so bright? That's a little bit better, but it's still like so bright. Anyway, so it didn't come out great, and then on this side I think it was too close to here, like the mug press didn't cover it or whatever. So anyway, that was my first attempt, but my second attempt looks so good and I'm so excited. You guys, how beautiful is this Disney mug? I want to keep it for myself, but I actually made it for my friend. Her birthday is on Friday and I'm so excited because I was like, oh my gosh, she loves Disney as much as I do. So I was like, I've got to make her a Disney mug. So that's what I did. So I'm so excited. I'm going to take that to her on Friday. My plan is to like get like a card and maybe like a birthday balloon and like a gift card to Starbucks and then that mug, of course. I'm so excited. So anyway, I made that mug last night and now I'm making another mug. So anyway, I think my mug press is ready to go and I just printed everything out, so I've got to clean up the mugs and get that done, and hopefully these turn out okay. Fingers crossed. I guess I'll set you guys up somewhere so you can watch me do this, but okay, so you guys just watched me work on a mug. It didn't come out perfectly because like the bottom didn't get pressed right, but this is a process and you know, it is what it is. We're gonna get it taken care of. But I did just make a new one for myself. I don't know, it's having such a hard time focusing, but this one came out absolutely perfect. So that's exciting. So now I have my own mug that has my shop on it and I'm so excited, you guys. I'm so excited. Also, now that I kind of like have a better understanding of how to do this, I like want to go do all the mugs right now, and I'm like, you gotta rein it back in. Obviously I have to still practice, so I'm gonna try to like find things that I could gift to people because I want to make sure that like I get this perfected. And I know if it's a gift, as much as I want it to be perfect, I think people will still appreciate it and like they can test it out for me. But yeah, I think this one turned out really nice. I think the key is to not get it too close to the handle because then it doesn't press down as much. And then I don't know what happened with that other one, if I just didn't get the bottom in all the way or if like, I don't know. But I mean, it's still really cute, and actually the way that it faded at the bottom I think looks like almost like I did it on purpose, even though I didn't. So I'm still so excited about it, but yeah. And also I want to address, no, I did not have like gloves on when I'm taking the tape off. Honestly, I don't find it that hot, but I did order gloves because I know I should be using gloves. I just don't have any. But I was very careful. I didn't burn my fingers. I don't want anybody to come at me. I have ordered gloves, but I don't have them today. They won't be here till tomorrow. And I was, like I said, very careful in peeling up the tape and stuff. It didn't burn me or anything. So anyway, I just wanted to address that because I don't want people coming at me because I didn't have gloves on. You should wear gloves when you're working with like heat presses and stuff because they do get really hot and you don't want to burn yourself. But I've been very careful, and like I said, I did order gloves. They're just not here yet, and I'm so excited to just get started. Like, I have the opening date planned out, and I want to get there, you know? I'm like so excited. So now I just need to figure out what I want to do today. I'm not really doing anything crazy with the sticker shop right now. I've kind of just taken a step back from it. I'm not closing, but I just have taken a step back from it as I focus on opening this new business. And, you know, I think I'm just so excited about this new business that stickers, it just is a struggle right now to come up with any new ideas or be creative or even feel like I want to sit at the computer and design, because I'm so just like, I have so many things to do with this new business and I'm so excited about it. And so it's been a real struggle when it comes to sticker shop stuff. I'm not closing, but I just have taken a step back. And I think, you know, I realized that I was going to take a step back, which is also why I kind of restarted my channel, because I realized that my channel was so focused on this one thing, and because I wasn't so focused on that one thing anymore, I wanted to be able to have the freedom to just share life and not be so focused on that one thing, because I am feeling very burnout and tired right now from that, and I know that I will get through that. And so like, I'm not closing, but I just realized that I had to take a step back from that because it wasn't bringing me joy and I wasn't as excited. You know, I wasn't so like excited to design, so I'm not like putting out a bunch of new awesome things. And so I don't know, that's just where I'm at. So I think once I get this shop going, I will figure out a better balance with everything and be a little bit more creative. But for right now, sticker shop stuff is just kind of on the back burner in terms of creating new stuff, which is why like I've not shared a lot of that in my vlogs, because I'm not really doing a lot with that right now unless I get orders, you know. And that's, you know, part of why I changed the direction of my channel, because sticker shop stuff is great and I'm not planning on closing right now, but like I don't think that that's going to be my forever job, you know what I mean? At some point I may not be doing that anymore, and I may have different interests or whatever, and I need to just have the creative freedom to go with that and do what feels right. And I'm so happy with my YouTube channel right now. Like, I feel like I've just been doing what feels right. I just feel so much happier, and I think you guys can tell that because I've gotten comments about it. And so I'm just like, I feel like this was just like the best direction to go. And again, it doesn't mean I'm never going to show me working on stickers or working on my business. It's just that like I didn't want to be trapped to that, because if I had been trapped to that, like, you wouldn't have seen any videos in the month of January. Because when I say I've really taken a step back from my shop, I really have. Like, I've only put out orders. I think I did new releases 1 week, maybe 2 weeks. I don't remember, but it just wasn't like, I wasn't like my normal self with it. I wasn't like as pumped and as excited as I normally am. And I definitely think that that feeling will come back, but I do think that I just kind of burned myself out a little bit, and I just needed to take a step back and reevaluate things and how I do things and find that passion again. So. In case you were wondering, yes, I am still loving the tuna stuffed peppers. So good. And then I have the extra tuna there, and I have some crackers to go with it. So good. So right now I'm gonna sit down and eat some lunch. I think I'm gonna watch some YouTube videos and just kind of chill for a little bit, and then we will get back to figuring out what to do today. I honestly have no idea. I have no idea what I want to do today. I would just like sit and make mugs all day, but I don't want to do that necessarily, because like I've said before, I don't really want to have a lot of inventory. So when I do things, I want to make sure they're things that like I have an idea for someone that I could give them, or I don't know. I'm just like struggling because I want to make a ton of mugs, but I'm also like, I need to be wise in how I do this. So anyway, I feel like the last mug I made was like perfection. And I know like they're not always going to come out perfectly, but that one was beautiful. So anyway, I do want to come up with designs, but again, I don't really want to buy them just yet. I might like charge my iPad and try to do some of my own designs. I think that would be pretty cool. I don't know, there's a lot that goes into starting a new business, and yeah, but I'm feeling good about it. I'm feeling so excited with the mugs that I made. I'm pumped. So I also need to do some more research on t-shirts because I do want to bring those to the shop, but I'm so excited, you guys. I'm so excited. It's just like one of those things that you don't realize you can do until you actually do it. If there's something out there that you've been wanting to do but you're too afraid or you don't think you can do it, just try. Just try, and you'll be so proud of yourself once you accomplish it. And there's definitely going to be trial and error and struggles and everything like that. It's not all, you know, do one mug and it's perfect. Like, no, it's I know that like my next couple mugs could be total flops, you know, but just try it. It's like so, like, it's so nice to like have that feeling of like I accomplished something and I did something that I didn't think that I could do. So if you think there's something that you can't do, prove yourself wrong. Do it. Show yourself I can do this. It's gonna be such a great feeling, I promise. So anyway, enough rambling. I feel like I'm really rambly in this vlog, so I'm sorry about that, unless you like that, and then I'm not sorry about that. But I'm gonna eat my lunch. It looks so good. And watch some YouTube, and then we will tackle the rest of the day doing something. All right, guys, so I actually decided, because I couldn't figure out what I wanted to do today, I am going to edit the first part of this video. So it'll be like a video inception. Would that be what it's like? Like, I'm gonna edit this video in this clip, if that makes sense. Guys, so it is hours and hours and hours later. I've been working on editing the video, and I've just kind of been having a chill day, to be honest, because I just, you know, I did what I could for today for my business, and then, like I said earlier, sticker shop stuff is just not happening at the moment. Anyway, so I've just been working on my YouTube stuff, which is really exciting. I've been having a lot of fun with that, but I just was editing the first part of this vlog, and yeah, so I basically got it up to the point that I switched the SD card and put it in this camera. So anyway, but James is finally on his way home. It is almost 7 o'clock. He had to work really late tonight, so we're actually gonna go grab some food when he gets home. I'm gonna wrap up the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up for me, and don't forget to subscribe, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.